Hello friends, welcome again. In last lecture we will complete the first metalloenzyme, that is the zinc metalloenzyme, and its three types, that is carbonic anhydrase, carboxypeptidase and the superoxide dismutase. Today we are going to see the second metalloenzyme, that is copper metalloenzyme. Copper metalloenzyme. Then, what is copper metalloenzyme? We know that. Metalloenzyme means the enzyme in which active site contain one or more metal atom. So, copper metalloenzyme is nothing but the enzyme in which active site contain copper as a metal atom. Copper as metal atom. So it is called as a copper metalloenzyme, and these copper metalloenzymes are 6 types. These are 6 types. First one is plastocyanine. Second is ceruloplasmin. Third one is tyrosinase. Fourth one is catalase. Fifth one is superoxide dismutase. And the last one is hemocyanin. Okay, so the second metalloenzyme, that is the copper metalloenzyme, in which the enzyme contain active site copper as a metal, or the active site of that enzyme contain copper as a metal, and these copper metalloenzymes are 6 types: plastocyanine, ceruloplasmin, tyrosinase, catalase, superoxide dismutase and the hemocyanin. But out of these 6, only the 3 are most important. One is catalase, second one is superoxide dismutase, and the third one is hemocyanin. Okay, there are 6 types of metalloenzyme, that is copper metalloenzyme: plastocyanine, ceruloplasmin, tyrosinase, catalase, superoxide dismutase and the hemocyanin. But out of these 6, only these 3 are the most important, and we will see one by one. Okay, first we will see hemocyanin, that is the most important catalyst of copper metalloenzyme, which play important role in the copper metalloenzyme or in the living system. So the first is hemocyanin. Okay. So this hemocyanin is copper metalloenzyme. Copper metalloenzyme. Second, it is a blue copper protein enzyme. It is blue copper is a copper metalloenzyme, and this hemocyanin having a blue color because copper having +2 oxidation state, and because of the +2 oxidation state of copper, it having one unpaired electron, and because of that one unpaired electron, this hemocyanin having blue color, or it is also called as a blue copper protein enzyme. Okay, it having 8 subunits. This hemocyanin having, it has 8 subunit. This hemocyanin having 8 subunit, and each subunit have pair of copper and oxygen molecule, Okay, this hemocyanin having 8 subunit, and that each subunit having pair of copper. Pair of copper means there are 2 copper atoms present in hemocyanin which are bound to the oxygen molecule, and I have already said that it having blue color, but in the oxy form of hemocyanin having blue color and deoxy form having, it is a colorless. Okay, that is the most important. Okay, oxy form or oxy hemocyanin having blue color and deoxy hemocyanin is colorless. I am saying the result behind that. Oxy hemocyanin have blue color due to copper +2 oxidation state, and deoxy hemocyanin having colorless due to copper +1 oxidation state. Okay, hemocyanin, and I am already saying in the starting of this point that this hemocyanin is a blue color protein, and that blue color of hemocyanin is due to the +2 oxidation state of copper, because when copper having +2 oxidation state, it having one unpaired electron, and that one unpaired electron give blue color to the oxyhemocyanin, and when in deoxyhemocyanin copper having +1 oxidation state, and when the copper having +1 oxidation state, all electrons are paired in that hemocyanin. So in +1 oxidation state or deoxyhemocyanin is a totally colorless. So the copper present in both oxidation state, +2 as well as +1, and when copper is present in +2 oxidation state, that is the oxyhemocyanin having blue color, and when copper is present in +1 oxidation state, that is the deoxy form of hemocyanin, which is the colorless, and this is the structure of hemocyanin, in which the 2 copper atoms are present, which is bound to the one oxygen atom, and when the oxygen atoms are present, the oxidation state of that copper is +2. Okay, and because of that +2 oxidation state, it having blue color, and it is also called as a blue color copper protein enzyme. Okay, so this is the first copper metalloenzyme, that is the hemocyanin, which having 8 subunit, and each subunit having pair of copper and oxygen molecule, and it show oxyform and deoxyform. The oxyform of hemocyanin having blue color because of copper is present in +2 oxidation state, and the deoxy form of hemocyanin is a colorless because copper is present in the +1 oxidation state. So this is the first copper metalloenzyme, that is the hemocyanin. In next lecture we will see the next copper metalloenzyme. Okay, thank you so much for watching.